Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video now, I'm going to teach you how to send an email encrypted via Outlook. So I have a previous video that how to send an email encryption via Gmail, right? Please check that out if you need to. Anyway, if you're watching this one with your phone, your tablet, your laptop, a quick reminder that please stay on the video even though you're seeing I'm using a desktop and on Windows OS, okay? If you're an iOS user, please stay on the video also because literally that's the same process. That being said, please launch your browser at the moment, and as you can see right now I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, or Mozilla Firefox, it's perfectly normal. Because right now if you don't have an Outlook on your PC, you can just search Outlook on any browser like that, and then just use Outlook from here and out. However, if you have an Outlook on your PC installed via Microsoft 365, please open your Outlook, and this should be how your Outlook looks like. Simply click on new email right there, and then as you can see, let me just pull up a full screen. Now, it's the same process on the previous video on the Gmail with a little bit of twist, okay? So first things first, of course, we need to have a recipient. I'm just gonna, for example, I'm just gonna choose any recipient right there, samuel123happy@gmail.com. Now this is just a sample recipient, I don't really know that kind of email. Now type any header or a body of the message. Hey, how are you? I hope you are doing okay. Simple as that, okay? Now with this one, you're gonna see options on the top section right there. Click on this one. And as you can see, there is an encryption bar. If you drag it down right there, connect to the rights management service and get templates. Now, if you could choose this option, specifically, you'll get templates of encryption on their website. Now, if you don't want that, you're in a hurry, just simply click on encrypt and you're good to go. Right now, we're retrieving templates from the server. Let's just wait for it for a few seconds, or let's just say a minute or two, okay? Now, Microsoft Outlook is retrieving templates from server, and do not forward. Recipients can read this message but cannot forward, print, or copy content. The conversation owner has full permission to their message and all replies. Permission granted by that one, by this email, and that being said, that's how you encrypt a message on Outlook. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now, guys.